Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I am Sierra. I do specialize in making credit make sense. For today's video, I just wanted to talk about personal information. I'm gonna try to go step by step with you guys in order for y'all to get these deletions. So if you haven't already, I need you to pull a copy of your credit report. You can go to annualcreditreport.com. It is free. You can get all three. Now, if you prefer your credit report to be tri-merged, meaning side by side, all three, so you can see the inaccuracies, I will put a link in the description where you can pull it for $5 for a week trial. So, okay, once you complete that step, I want you guys to highlight all inaccuracies or errors that you see across your credit profile. Now, in this video, we're going to strictly look at your personal information section. Now, in your personal information section, I want you to, again, highlight all inaccuracies that you see. You should only have one name, one date of birth, one social, one employer, and one phone number, address, so on. You don't need 15 different addresses. You don't need that, because all of those addresses that you see on your credit report is attached to old debt. So before we start disputing, we want to make sure that we delete all of this information, so there's no way that they can attach these debts to any of your information. So you're going to dispute everything that's not yours. Again, you only want one name, one address, one date of birth, one phone number, one social, and one employer. If I didn't say that, you're going to send all three credit bureaus an update personal information letter. You can also call, I believe, a number in the link. If you can call, you can get that done within 24 hours and they'll delete everything, or you can do it online. Now, disputing personal information online over the phone is the only time I suggest disputing information over the phone when it comes to personal information. Everything else, no. You do not dispute any accounts over the phone or online, because you waive different type of rights, and we'll go more into that. So again, I'm gonna leave a letter. I want you guys to pull a copy of your credit report. I want you to look at your personal information section, and then I want you to send this letter to all three credit bureaus for them to update all of your information. Also, if you feel, if you can call, you can call. If you can do it online, you can do it online. And then I'll be back next week, and we're gonna go into increase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.